It doesn't need ink or hands, but every night it types. In 1997, Louis inherited a house. In the attic, an old Remington typewriter that still worked. He never touched it, yet every morning he'd find one fresh page, but with a single sentence. The first message the next day. He ignored it, until one page said he did, and found bones in the crawl space. Authorities confirmed it. Human remains, hidden for 50 years. No identity, no explanation. After that, the typewriter went silent. Louis tried typing on it himself, but the keys never moved again. This is The Stories That You Never Knew.